Hi everyone, this Jazz again from Y-Systems. Welcome to today's class. Today I'll be showing us how to clip our picture into a shape, how to put your picture into a shape in Photoshop. Please do make sure you subscribe if you are not yet a subscriber and click on the post notification bell so that you'll be notified anytime we drop new tutorial. Without further ado, join in with me. So this is the picture I'll be working with. I downloaded this online. I will add the link to this picture in the exercise file. Now, what I want to do is to ensure that my picture is in a shape in such a way that the picture will not exceed and will not be showing outside that shape. So the first thing I'm going to do, let me name this layer and name it image, just like that. If I convert it to smart objects, you can leave it just like this, and then I will create my shape, my circle. So I'll create this circle like this. Obviously, I'm going to change the color of my circle, just like that. Now, I'm going to click and drag to put this layer behind the picture. That's the first principle. The first rule, any picture you want to clip must be on top of what you want to clip it on. So I want to clip this image inside the circle. The image will be on top of the circle, not the circle on top of the image. I believe you understand that. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to right click and then click on create clipping marks. Just a click, bam, just like this. We have our image inside our circle. So straightforward. So straightforward and simple. So I can reduce the size of this. Exactly. Now, that might be a longer cut. Now, if I want to release this, all I have to do is to right click again and click on release clipping marks. Release clipping marks. Now, that might be a long approach. There is a better way for it. You will just click on your hotkey. Once you click on your hotkey, position your cursor in between the layer you want to clip, and you will have arrow down showing. You see this black arrow showing, that is a sign that you are good to go, and you just click just like that instead of right clicking, and you will have your result. This thing is applicable to everything you want to do that have to do with putting one content inside another content in Photoshop, putting one layer inside another layer in Photoshop. Now, let's assume I actually want every part of this character to be hidden inside the circle while the head is showing outside the circle. I believe you get what I'm saying, in such a way that this head that is covered by the circular part will be showing, and what is air to be showing, while the rest of the body will be inside the circle. So what I'm going to do is to press Ctrl J or click and drag on the plus sign here, and I'm going to release clipping marks. I can press Alt key and click again. The same way I activated this is the same way I will deactivate it. So after this, I can use any of my selection tool or use my eraser tool. This is my eraser tool. The shortcut of the eraser tool is E. So once my eraser tool is activated, and then I will come and erase the part I don't want on my picture. Just like this. So I have my results. This is before and this is after. I believe this is so straightforward and simple, and I believe you've learned something new. Until next time, stay blessed. Cheers.